Okay, so today is Thursday, February the 4th, and yesterday you finished reading part 1 of Tangerine. First of all, can we just talk about the, I don't know, irony or just coincidence that the sinkhole incident in Tangerine that was written or published in 1997 took place on September 11th, which was the same date as the Twin Towers disaster in 2001. It's kind of crazy that it just so happened to be September 11th. In our old workbook, they kind of focused on those dates coinciding, but this workbook doesn't, so I just thought that I would point that out. Okay, so today we're going to do this process called, using this method called SIFT, this strategy. But first, you are going to be looking at 3.6, workbook pages 206 to 208. As always, I've linked those on Canvas. So the first thing that you're going to do is this quick write in the margin on page 206. And then you're going to use the glossary, and I've linked the glossary in case you don't have your workbook at home. It is linked to define each term in the first column. So you're going to write it right underneath the term, because the second column, you are going to add this information that I've posted on, I know it's kind of tiny. You're going to have to maybe blow it up a little bit. That is from chapter 15. So you're going to add that information from chapter 15. And then in the third column, you can choose any other chapter from part 1 to analyze. So you're going to go through and you're going to look at the symbolism and just all of the different aspects of that you've kind of looked at from chapter 15. You're going to look at that from any other chapter in part 1. Okay. Then you're going to choose a theme from part 1 and write a literary analysis paragraph analyzing how literary elements such as symbols, imagery, figurative language, and tone contribute to that theme. You'll do that on a Google Doc. I know you guys are writing so much. Don't you love it? I know you do. Right? You're going to be great writers by the time this is over. You're going to do it in a Google Doc titled 3.6, Writing to Sources. Ask yourself which symbols in the novel support the theme. Was there any imagery in the novel that reminds you of that theme, and how did figurative language contribute to the theme? Be sure to use MLA format, have a header, title, size 12 font, make sure it's double spaced, include a topic sentence that identifies the theme, identify specific literary elements, and provide textual evidence in the form of correctly cited quotes. And then I said, don't submit it yet. Wait. Because you're going to then complete language and writer's craft, understanding phrases. You're going to complete number 3 by revising one sentence in your literary analysis paragraph to include a prepositional phrase and or in a positive phrase. Instead of copying it into your workbook, underline it in your Google Doc and then submit it. Now, when we talk about theme, I want you to remember that I mean a sentence, a general truth about life as portrayed by the author. I'm not talking about a topic. I'm not talking about brotherhood. I'm not talking about friendship. I'm talking about a general truth about life. Okay? Got it? If you have questions, comments, concerns, as always, please reach out to me. Okay? You are going to do a little bit of reading tomorrow, but I'll talk to you about that tomorrow. Okay? I hope that you have a wonderful day.